Hi everyone, it's me again, Mary Chris Trujillo, teacher by profession, digital business owner by decision, and your friend in dreaming big and building a better life. Today's topic is real talk ha. Are you afraid of failure? Kung oo ang sagot mo, halika, yakap mo na kita. May mga gabi ba na napapaisip ka? Tahimik ang paligid pero ang utak mo ay ang ingay-ingay? Bakit parang hindi ako umaasenso? Bakit parang ako na lang ang naiwan? Paano kung mag-fail ako? Alam mo kaibigan, I've been there. Ilang beses din akong napaiyak, napapray ng malalim, at nagtago sa sarili kong takot. Pero alam mo kung anong na-realize ko? Failure is normal, but giving up, that's optional. Let me share my story with you nung una akong nag-post tungkol sa business na ito. Grabe friends, hindi na kinakabahan talaga ako. Ang dami kong what ifs. Paano kung walang mag-like? Paano kung pagtawanan ako ng mga kakilala ko? Paano kung wala talagang mangyari? Pero ginawa ko pa rin. Pinost ko. Kahit nanginginig, kahit kabado. And guess what? May isang tao na nag-message. Simple lang ang tanong niya pero grabe ang impact sa akin. Dahil sa story ko, may isang taong na-inspire, na-touch ako friend. Kasi naalala ko, this is not just about me. This is about planting hope. So my friends, let's shift our thinking. Akala natin failure is the end. But in reality, failure is part of the process. Isipin mo yung baby na natutong maglakad, nadapa siya ng ilang beses, di ba? Pero hindi siya tumigil. At walang nagsabi sa kanya, tama na, hindi ka marunong. So why do we say that to ourselves? Why are we so hard on ourselves when we're just learning something new? My friends, failure doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're brave enough to try. At kung natatakot ka, it means may pangarap ka. Kaya please, don't let fear stop you. Let it guide you. Let it shape you. Let it remind you of what really matters. Your family, your dreams, your future. Ito ang gusto kong ipabaon sa inyo mga friends. It's okay to be afraid. It's okay to fail. Pero hindi okay na sumuko ka sa sarili mong pangarap. At kung naghahanap ka ng simula, baka ito na yon. Baka ako na ang friend na pinadala ni Lord para sabihin sa iyo na kaya mo ito. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Kung gusto mong malaman kung paano ako nagsimula, kahit full-time teacher ako, kahit hindi ako techie, at paano ko ginagawa ito step by step, message me friend, let's talk, let's grow together. You don't have to build alone. You build for yourself, but never alone. Not in this business, not with me around. So friends, are you afraid of failure? Good. That means you're dreaming. And that means you're alive. Let's turn your fear into faith. And let's turn your failure into fuel. Let's turn what if I fail into what if this works. Thank you friends for being here today. I'm so proud of you for showing up. Don't stop now. Keep going. Keep growing. And always, always believe in what is possible. And I'm your friend, Mary Chris Trujillo. And I'll see you on the next video, okay? Bye for now.